Hello and welcome back to Learn and Apply. We are going to highlight the different ways we can balance different parenting styles in order to be that ideal parent for every child. Mostly, the manner in which you were brought up as a parent affects your current parenting style. We tend to also raise our children in the ways that we were also raised when we were children. There is absolutely nothing wrong with that. However, society has evolved. These old methods and ways of raising a child may not be effective in these current times. Therefore, it is necessary to assess how trends have changed and adopt accordingly. There are three methods of parenting, or we can say there are three types of parenting. The first type is the authoritative parent or the boss parent. This I have highlighted in my previous video. So if you want to know whether you are an authoritative parent, then go watch that video. I've also highlighted the effect of being an authoritative parent on the social and psychological development of your child. So I would move straight to the next type of parenting, which is the permissive parenting or the permissive parent. They are parents full of love and care and mostly tend to overly transfer this to their children. These parents think that being friends with their kids is what can help them change their behavior. The permissive parent struggles a lot to set limits and boundaries for their children. They mostly consider their children to be adults. So it is open field for their kids. They do what they want and how they want to do it. And they struggle a lot setting limits for these children. So that is the permissive parent. And then the third parenting style is what we call the uninvolved parent or the absent parent. These parents are more or less focused on providing the basic needs of their children. For them, it is very, very central and important. However, they would rather spend time with friends or are highly fixated or focused on their career. They are not always available. And when they are available, that is only when their child is in danger and needs immediate help. So they come in when it's burning and then quench and then they are away. This is the absent parent. Being only an authoritative parent is not good for your child's development. Being only a permissive parent is not also good, and being an absent parent is not good for your child's development. Therefore, it is very necessary to balance these three. And then you can become that ideal parent for every child. And now, how do you balance these three parental styles? The first is what you're doing now. You're learning the three different parental styles. And then you place yourself in one of them. What parenting styles are you implementing at home? And then when you do that, you try to blend being what parent you are with the other two parenting style. This way, you become an authoritative figure for your children. An authoritative figure, not in the negative way, but in the positive way, such that you are firm to make rules and regulations. You are permissive and logical, give your children room and freedom, offer them care and love, and you can also pursue your career and have time for friends and other family members. So learn to combine these parenting styles and be that effective father or mother that you are. Thank you for watching.